Well, you know what? I'm ready. I'm ready for the challenge. If you didn't see, everybody, I am not going to be competing in the triple threat match for my New Jersey State Championship. So the Reaper and Little Earthquake I will find out who will be my next opponent for the New Jersey State Championship that I currently hold. So that means I'm not showing up this week. We're going to find out who my opponent is. Will it be Little Earthquake or the Reaper? Now, I usually don't go and bet on people, but I would rather face Little Earthquake because I am so not facing the Reaper. The loser, okay? The man who loses to everyone. I mean, my God, he's the worst wrestler on that roster on both brands. The L on the both shows. The SPW brand and the LIPW brand. He's both bad on both. The only people everyone else is good. If you don't know, he's good. Killian Black, he's great. They put me to my limits. The two people I faced. Reaper, he doesn't challenge me. He's nothing. And I am waiting to see who will be my opponent next week. So who's it gonna be? Little Earthquake or the Reaper? We're gonna find out. And then after the match on Sunday, I have a direct message to the winner of the match. Bank on that.